You okay?
You slip and hurt yourself?
Yeah, she almost slipped over. She grabbed herself. Come sit with me, Brooke. I'll help you so you don't slip in.
Sherry, move back just a little bit toward the end of the boat, would you? No, out toward the end of the water. That way I can get all of you in the boat, or all of you in the screen.
You don't need all of me in the screen. I would be fine with partial.
Hold on, look, your mom's fishing. She got something? I think she hooked a snag. What do you think?
Just a little one.
Well, it hit like
Like I say, it hit like the big ones do when they drop down.
No, it's decent. It's up.
What do I need to do?
It's back by the motor now.
Nicely done,
No, we're
Sherry.
not going to keep this one, no.
No, we'll send him back.
He's this little guy. We want him to get bigger. Send him back to his family.
This is just a little mama fish.
Well done, Sherry.
Mom.
Just a little mama fish.
Guys.
Can you sex
Not
him?
enough line out.
I could. But
You
this
stop
one's,
moving.
if it would just stop moving, we could help it out really easy. And then watch how quick this will go, Brooke. Because there's not much. Come on, mama.
It's my fish.
Is that your mom's fish?
Yeah. He's
We're trying to.
my dad. It's my dad. It's mom. It's dad.
Yeah, trying to get her to
Look out, Brooke.
wake back up. There you go. There she goes. Say bye-bye. Down she goes.
That's how you do it.